Hello students, today I am going to discuss chapter number 8 of part 1 verbal aptitude. The name of the chapter is perceptual reasoning. Perceptual reasoning is the ability to use the knowledge gained visually to take the correct decisions or act accordingly. It means in these kind of questions you can see this code is given. Now the options are given and they have changed the little bit codes in each and every option, but in one option the code is exactly same, so you have to identify that option. You can see the code is 305B86. Now you have to find out where is 305, but it is not B86, it is B68, so this is wrong, this is also wrong. Now you can see 30B586, this is also wrong, this is exactly same 305B86, so this would be the correct answer. Whatever option would be matched with the question or whatever code would be matched with the question's code, you have to tick on that answer. Suppose if I am taking the example 2, question number 2, 5M73L8, so this option is wrong. Now you can see this option is correct, 5M73L8, it is matched. You can see this is wrong, this is 8L. This is also wrong, 57M73L8, 7 they have written first 2 times. So likewise you have to complete the page number 27. Now I am going to explain chapter number 24 of part C, quantitative aptitude. At the name of the chapter is quick multiplication. In this quick multiplication you are having the 2 types of sums. First sum is related to multiplication and second sum is also related to multiplication, but the condition of first sum is we have to multiply the 2 numbers with the sum of one digit as 10 and the remaining digit same. Suppose 28 and 22, then you can see it, sum of digit is 10, when you will add 8 and 2 you will get 10, and these two are same. So 34 and 36, you can apply this trick. This sum should be 10 and this should be same, but you cannot apply 35 and 33 because first digit is same but the sum is not 10. So sum of one's place digit should be 10 and the previous digit means 10's place digit should be same, then only you can apply this trick. Now what is the trick? Suppose you have to multiply 42 into 48. So first you have to check whether you can apply the condition or not, whether you can apply the trick or not. 8 and 2 10 and these are same, so you can apply. Now multiply 8 and 2, what you will get? 16. Now this is, you can see 4. What is the successor of 4? 5. 4 into 5 20, so final answer would be 2016. Now if I am taking 28 and 22, again you have to check whether you can apply the trick or not. So 8 plus 2 10 and these two digits are same, so you can apply the trick. So multiply 8 and 2, what you will get? 16. Successor of 2 3, 2 3 ja 6, so 616 is the answer. Suppose if I am talking about 109 into 101, now you can see sum of digit is 10 and these two digits are same, so 9 into 1, what you will get? 9. So whenever you will get the single digit you have to write 09, 9 you can write 09, and this is 10, this is 10, so successor of 10 11, 10 into 11, what you will get? 110. Once again I am taking the example, suppose we are having 108 and 102. First check whether you can apply the trick or not. 8 plus 2 10, you can apply, and this is also same, so you can apply this trick. Now 8 2 ja 16 and successor of 10 11, and 10 into 11, what you will get? 110. So 11016 would be the correct answer. So likewise you have to complete the page number 64. The second trick is multiplication of 2 digits. Multiplication of 2 digits means suppose you have to multiply 32 and 22. Then there are the 3 steps of this multiplication. First you have to multiply these two. So 2 into 2, what you will get? 4. This is the step 1. Step 1 is 2 multiplied by 2. What you will get? 4. In step 2 is, if you suppose 14 is coming, then you have to keep 1 in your mind. Step 2 is you have to do the cross multiplication, 2 into 3 and 2 into 4. So 2 into 3, what you will get? And you have to also do the addition. 2 into 3 you will get 6 and 2 into 2 you will get 4. 6 plus 4 10. So you have to write 0 here. You have to keep this 1 in your mind. This is step 2. And step 3 is 2 into 3, 6, and plus add one more. So 704 is the correct answer. Suppose 22 and 23 you have to multiply. 22 or 32 you have to multiply. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carry, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1, 7. So 704 is the answer. So likewise you have to complete the page number 65. So in today's homework, you have to complete the chapter of perceptual reasoning and quick multiplication. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Have a nice day.